If I woke up tomorrow with $0 in my bank account, no savings, no investments, nothing, this is the exact plan I would follow to rebuild my entire financial life from scratch in 2026. And I'm not guessing here, guys. I've already built my portfolio to over 140K by 28, mostly using simple index funds, and I'm pushing for 200K before 30. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. Starting from zero is actually an advantage if you follow the right system, because most people don't fail from a lack of money. They fail because they follow the wrong order. So in this video, I'm breaking down the exact step-by-step blueprint I'd use if I had to restart from nothing. Let's get right into it. Number one, the order that changes everything. If you take nothing else from this video, guys, I want you to understand this. Wealth isn't about what you invest in first, it's about the order that you do things in. Because most people go, I have $200, let me invest it. That's how you stay broke. If I'm starting from $0, my order is stabilize, build some cash flow, protect myself, and then invest. Because if you're investing without a system, that's like pouring water into a leaking bucket and you're setting yourself up for failure. Number two, build your freedom base, which I've talked about this in a bunch of other videos. Before you invest a single dollar, I'm building a financial base layer. So that means paying off any high interest debt, credit cards, especially if you have those, you need to start paying them off on time. And then building at least a small emergency fund. I'm talking like 1,000 to 3,000 to start. So here's how I'm thinking about it. If you are investing while paying 25% interest, you're not investing, you're losing because you're paying off that debt, which is a guaranteed return, and the market will never promise you that. So, for example, with me, before I started aggressively investing like I've been doing the last couple of years, I had paid off all my college loans and I paid for my cars in cash and I made an emergency fund right away so I could start investing. So, I want you guys to try to replicate this if you want to start taking things seriously. Number three, increase your income first. So, this is where a lot of investing videos get it wrong. If I'm at $0 today, investing is not going to be my first focus. My income is. Because let's be real, investing $50 is not going to change your life. But increasing my income by $500 to $1,000 a month, that is going to change everything. And it's going to allow me to invest a lot more or pay off debt, whatever it is. So, I'm going to focus on improving my skills, asking for raises, finding a side hustle, another income stream where you can scale it and start making a lot more money. I'm doing this on the side right now, plus, with YouTube and other side hustles that I'm trying to make extra money from every month. And I'm also actively trying to get a promotion at work. And I'm already looking at other roles as well. And don't get me wrong, like I've done super well at this company and I've been pretty loyal. But as you guys know, a lot of times you have to leave your company if you want to make more. This isn't like our parents' generation where you can be with the same company for 25 to 30 years and, it's guaranteed that you're going to retire as a millionaire and have a pension and they paid, whatever it is, 100K for their house. Because the real game is more income leads to more money to invest and it leads to faster compounding. Number three, start investing. Simple, not fancy. So once I have no high interest debt, some savings in my bank account, and consistent income, I'm going to start investing immediately. But here's where I want to do it differently than most people. I'm going to keep it extremely simple, like I say in every single video. Do not go stock picking, no chasing trends, don't do the, get rich quick plays. I'm going straight into low cost index funds. Specifically, what I personally use is FXAIX, which tracks the S&P 500, and FSPSX, which is international exposure. I usually do that at 80-20 split. I chose these because they are low cost, they track the S&P 500, and the returns are very steady. Just look at the returns for the S&P 500 for the last couple years. These, stocks are built to handle crashes and bounce back. And this gives me diversification, it gives me low fees, and it's long-term growth. And you guys look at the market right now, everything is crashing. This is the perfect time to start buying. And honestly, this is how I built my portfolio to 140K so far. And it's nothing fancy, it's just being consistent. Number five, the real strategy, automating everything. And this is the part that I feel like a lot of people skip. And it's a reason that they never build real wealth. And I understand it because I didn't do this at first as well. but you have to automate everything. It takes a lot of the mental triggers out of it. If I had to restart, I would basically do everything that I'm doing right now. So, automatically invest every single paycheck, treat investing like a bill, like you have to pay it on time, and never rely on just motivation because motivation can fade. It comes and goes. You're up at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., saying, like, I'm going to get fucking jacked, like you're doing 100 push ups, whatever. Sometimes that can fade, but these systems don't because they're put in place to make you successful, especially when you're investing consistently. So, even right now, I'm investing every single paycheck. I basically make sure that I have enough in my account for rent and other small expenses, and the rest is getting invested right away. And what this turns into is $100 a month into thousands, or thousands, in a month into six figures. It all adds up and it's all due to automation. Number six, what would I avoid? If I'm starting from $0 again, I'm avoiding these things: trying to time the market that never works, chasing these hot stocks that my friends and people on TikTok are telling me about, panic selling when things get crazy, like right now, and overcomplicating everything. Because the truth is that most people don't lose money because they pick the wrong investment. They lose money because they don't stay consistent long enough. And if you guys just look at the market right now, everything is crashing. So that means it's a perfect time to start buying because you're buying everything at a discount. This is something that, people in your 20s right now or 30s, this is what you dream of. Like, start investing right now. Everything is crashing. So it's just going to have to go up at this point. It's going to hit a low and then it's going to hit a new high again, especially if you're investing in the S&P 500. Look at the trends, look at the markets of how it's been performing the last couple years. It always goes up and everything is crashing right now. So it is a perfect time to start buying. Number seven, and to close this thing out, the mindset shift that you guys need to make this a reality. And I like to put this in every single video. This is the part that actually changes everything. You need to stop thinking, how do I get rich quick? And start thinking, how do I build a system that actually makes this inevitable and achievable? Because wealth is not going to be built in one single move. It's built in boring, repeatable actions over time. And yeah, that is not flashy or anything crazy, but it works. So if I stick to this exact system, there's no scenario where I don't build wealth again. And that is the ultimate goal. So we're not guessing, we're not gambling, we're not doing these crazy plays, but we're having a repeatable blueprint that will lead us to success one day. So thank you guys again for watching. If you're looking to build wealth, level up, and crush life in your 20s and into your 30s, please like and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.